Hello everyone, this is Hetal Kesarwani and in this video we are going to discuss all about how to make a neon colored mandala in Ibis Paint. So firstly we have to select a preferable canvas for our drawing and I am selecting 9:16. So in the previous videos we have discussed about undo and redo tool, the two ways to import images, how to create backgrounds, gradients and many more interesting topics. You can watch all the videos, the links are given in the description box below. So let's start today's topic. At the end of this tutorial we will be creating something like this. So let's start. So by using a normal brush we can draw like this. This means that we cannot draw a neon mandala with a regular brush. So we have to choose neon brush from brush tool. But where is the brush tool? At the bottom we can see 7 options. So the first option from left, that is used to change brush tool directly into eraser or eraser into brush directly. And the second is the toolbox from where we can select various kind of tools. And the third is the brush tool. From there we can select various kind of brushes. So we have to find the neon brush. For that we have to scroll down. And yes, here it is. But these kind of brushes are paid. And if we want access to all the paid brushes, then we have to watch an ad. After that only we can get access to all the paid brushes. So let's watch the ad first. Okay, so after watching ad, we can get access to all the paid brushes for 18 hours only. So let's find that neon brush again by scrolling down. Now we can see that all the paid brushes are free. The first is light, the second is light pale, the third is neon 1 and the fourth is neon 2. So before drawing, we should add all these 4 brushes to custom option. From there, we can find our brushes easily that we want to use. We don't need to scroll again and again. So let's add all the 4 brushes. At the left side we can see a plus icon, so we have to click on that, and by clicking our brush will be added to custom option like this. Okay, so these 4 brushes are now added to the custom option. So let's compare these 4 brushes first. So this is the light brush. We can change the color also if we want. Okay, and from here we can increase the size of our brush. Okay, so this is working something like this, and if we will decrease the size, then it will work like this. Okay, the next is light pale, and the next is neon 1. Next is neon 2. Okay, this is really very light. No issues. So you can select any of the brush that you like. So first of all, erase the screen by using the eraser tool like this, and then switch to the brush tool. Let us select a ruler for making mandala. From here we can see 2 types of ruler, kaleidoscope and rotation ruler. If you don't know the difference between these 2 rulers, then do check out the video that is in the I button above. So let's use kaleidoscope ruler. Make its division to 20 or 25. Now let's zoom in and we can change the color if we want. And first of all we have to create the central part first. So we can make the size of our brush to 25 pixels or 20. I am using light pale. From here we can decrease or increase its opacity like this, and we can decrease the size if we don't want such a huge size, or we can undo this and create the same stroke again like this. Now we have to create the first layer like this. I will be teaching few patterns and outlines in next upcoming videos. Let's draw only a basic mandala in this video. So from the tip of the first layer pattern, we have to create another same pattern like this. And we have to repeat the same procedure again like this, and we can zoom in if we want like this. And now we can create one more layer here like this. Okay, and now here we can make a boundary also like this, and here also if we want. And now we have to make a circular boundary outside. So for creating a perfect circle, we have to use the add circular ruler, and we have to place the ruler at the center of our mandala by dragging the target button of add circular ruler to the center of our mandala like this, and we can zoom in. Okay, like this. And now we can draw a circle like this and like this. So let's off all the rulers. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Thank you very much.